Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is climate. In the past video, we discussed some various climates on Earth's surface and the various human activities that are carried out within those areas or within those climatical conditions. Now today, let's discuss more on the various climates on Earth's surface, specifically the tropical monsoon climate and the tropical marine climate. We'll start with the tropical monsoon climate to see where it's located, various characteristics of it, and the various human activities, specifically the economic activity that are carried out within these places. Now, let's see this tropical monsoon climate. This tropical monsoon climate specifically, it is found mainly places experiencing the tropical monsoon type of climate. They include such as the Southeast Asia, Northern Australia, Southern China, and the Indian subcontinent. So specifically, this type of climate is most marked on areas in India. As you can see there in the map, all those places showing the landmark, it's called the tropical monsoon and also the tropical marine, which we are going to see it later on. So this tropical monsoon climate is experienced within these places: the Southeast Asia, Northern Australia, Southern China, and mostly of the Indian subcontinent. Now let's see the various characteristics of tropical monsoon climate. The first one, that the seasonal reversal of the winds. These are the monsoon winds, the onshore during one season and the offshore during the another season. So the the places in this monsoon tropical climate, they experience these two onshore and the offshore winds, which are the monsoon winds. And during these kinds of winds, the ones that provide specifically time for the traveling within the seas. Now the onshore wind brings heavy rain to the coastal regions, while the offshore winds bring little or no rain, except when there is of a wide stretch of the sea. The characteristics is that the temperatures range from the 32 degrees in the hot season to about 25 degrees in the cool season, giving the annual range of about 7 degrees. The other one, that the annual rainfall varies greatly depending on the relief and the angle at which the onshore winds meet the highlands. Those are the aspects. The other characteristic is that there are three marked seasons, namely the cool, dry season, hot, dry season, and the hot, that is wet season. So these are the three marked tropical monsoon climate seasons. The cool, that is the dry season, hot, that is the dry season also, and the hot, that is also the wet season. Now let's see the various economic activities of the tropical monsoon climate. Now the main human activities that are carried out in areas experiencing this kind of climate include the rice growing and the livestock husbandry. Apart from the rice, other crops that are grown are wheat, millet, maize, and the sorghum. Sugarcane, the cotton, and the jute are the important lowland crops grown in specifically India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. While the other crops grown are like tea, that is grown in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and India, and rubber in Malaysia. Also, the animal keeping that is carried out within this climate include keeping of animals like pigs, cattle, buffaloes, sheep, goats, and the poultry. Now, let's see the tropical marine climate. The tropical marine climate, in this climate, the various regions with this type of climate are located on the east coast of regions lying between the 10 degrees north and the 25 degrees north, and 10 degrees south and 25 degrees south. Now, these areas are under the influence of the onshore trade winds And the main areas are the east coast of Brazil and the Malagasy, the lowlands of Central America, and the West Indies of the coast of Queensland, that is Australia, and the southern islands of the Philippines. As we saw in the other map from the other pages before. Now let's see the various characteristics of the tropical marine climate. The following are just some of the characteristics of the tropical marine climate. The first one, that the temperature characteristics are similar to those of the equatorial climate. And the second one, that the hot season temperature is about 29 degrees, and the cooler season temperature is about 21 degrees. The annual range temperature is about 80 degrees, and the total annual rainfall varies from 130 mm to 200 mm depending on the location within this tropical marine climate. The rainfall is both convection and tropical, brought by the onshore trade winds. The maximum rainfall occurs in the hot season, and in a higher altitude is experienced throughout the year. That is, high humidity is experienced throughout the year. Now, this climate can generally be described as hot and humid throughout the year. However, the climate is cooled by the onshore winds that blows almost every day. Let's see the economic activities of the tropical marine climate. The main human activities that are carried out within this climatic region include crop cultivation, lumbering, and animal rearing. The crops grown include sugarcane, rice, banana, and wheat. And the animals kept are such as cattle, pigs, sheep, goats, and poultry. So, thank you for listening. I hope it's clear. I've discussed the two climatic conditions experienced within our Earth's surface, and we've seen the various characteristics of them. We've seen the various economic activities that can be carried out within these climatic regions. Thank you.